Just the way somebody they put your picky for big school. Picky when one just start school 1 year. Kindergarten 500,000. Picky when go later become DJ. DJ, if na maybe you I go off that to go sit down. All this na former Yahoo boys wey not pico. Just carry laptop download music.
Under fire, you.
Ipena.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
DJ Killer. Billy, Happy New Year. Welcome to your year of task. People who are pity for this task now Yahoo boys. Client send money, Asaba collect 30%, government collect 20%.
Boys, kamikaze.
And a $200 client send. Before una go share the money, una go just use the remaining balance, buy data, begin bomb again. See, before you pay a shower this period, as you send her money, put for narration, salary, make government collect 20%.
I don't go love a shower. I don't go love a shower.
DJ Killer, this 2026 guest make on our wise though. As you dey follow shift, you get honorable, you get sugar daddy. Make sure say you get your medical report oh. Because all these big men, they get big sickness. Yesterday night they carry one girl go Abuja, now she dey go prison. Sugar daddy die for hotel room. We don't know what to kill her. I don't see I photocopy my sugar daddy medical report. It told two. He case Kasala boss, one for police, one for lawyer. Life now brain no who they push, now they do doggy. Shop your money, or not let any girl whine you. All of them, they fall body, clock it, and you they hang pants for fence.
Where them they?
They. Now so they carry one girl go club like they fall body. What do you want? Say give me Casamingo.
Attention, if you're not spending money, go.
You go carry girl come out, they give her tequila, they pour small for ground. It's a white daughter.
All the Google things what they do for Benin girls, I want to correct me.
And I want to encourage you as a girl, whatever you are going through, as long as you are not pregnant, you are okay. If you dey as a girl, your belly big, as long as you not be picking there inside, better send a fried bread. You're okay. See, they know they use belle oh man no. If you get belle for any man this period, you go cry past the pikin. Wise. Package yourself. You see all these men, you know say nobody humble rich elderly man won't sleep with small girl. Stop calling me sir, call me Festus. Festus na small pikin name. Reduce posting no two. That boy very potent.
Spider-Man. Does whatever spider can.
DJ Killer. Some guys just there they brag. Say, do you know 4 years dating this boy? I have not missed my period. Wow. Must speak French for you. Le français, la guerre, la barre. DJ Killer, my My sister, not be by size that they know woman where they last. So the mic can be big, but the battery feel not the last. DJ Killer, 2025 taught us a lot of lessons. All these guests where they say I prefer elderly men. I prefer elderly men, they are kind. Now because of they never arrest your elder brother. DJ Killer! And I won't beg you as a girl, see all these elderly men. They not be young, but they take tramadol. Now small they ride shifo. Small, not the right person, papa, like say you be dispatch rider. Now small. You know say who they die, who they come, like the same thing. You go to say they call, he don't die. This 2026, everybody package yourself, oh. Get where they find husband, you the service gen. Jail off, you they tell your boyfriend make a big spina. You they clip plug with fuel. My guy carry a babe go Christmas for village. Since they come back, the boy not they pick a call. She they report give me. Where they reach village, bad the way they carry go village. Where may gather one key goat. She just go there. Say, look at the people struggling with the goat. Leave it for me. She tie goat, use her knee, press her. Goat nothing shake.
Peace is meant for those who dig pit, and trouble is given to those who want trouble. For the joy of the Lord gives big strength to jump over pit, I beg you.
Only you slaughter goat. That one not reach, same one that set fire. As only you kill goat, you won't roaster yourself. If not you go pick coin again. Package yourself. Boy come visit you, they use your knee, they break sugar cane. Some of una to see us back go hard. Boy, they ask you, fine girl, how are you? You say, I bam, cutist.
Mama asked me, say, when will you marry? This year, next year, never.
DJ Killer, my sister, I know you do marry for money.
I say, come on.
DJ, wait, you not say nobody surprised rich broke boyfriend. Wow, you just made your hair.
I don't suffer, no be small. Upon say I get sense. Poverty no good at all, no. Now him make I join this business. Oh, 190 no be thief. It's just a game. Everybody dey play am. If anybody fall mugu,
My brother, I go shopper.
national effort.
DJ Killer. My sister, before you follow honorable, all this shift, not every man wear shift cap get money. Oh. May you not go use mistake follow Ezemo. Package yourself this year. Package. Go to the gym, work on your tummy, you not be honorable. Life now package, you know. Package yourself. And all these boys when they quit, they forgive. I not trying this year. You catch your babe, they shit. They tell you, say, I don't know what came over me. Person went from Benin go Lagos by road.
I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend.
She brush already, she shop.
They no be fine now.
They no fit find out, my brother. You just dey forgive. If they tell you what she do when she reach. I don't know what came over me. Are you so freak?
You fuck me too hard, and I know that thing I do. Make you pound me like fufu. You make my
Life na bread though. You know say na who masquerade never pursue for dream before they toss I usually forget my dream.
They find money, leleba. They find money, leleba. Money don't come, just they come out from my
DJ
hand.
Killer, this 2026, any work where you they do not let they advise you. Who come guess oh yeah? Mo na talk me no carry na money go outside men day.
Asaba don't be walk.
Na DJ be work. Now why? Don't just the way somebody they put your picky for big school. Picky when one just start school 1 year. Kindergarten 500,000. Picky when go later become DJ. DJ, if na maybe you I go off that to go sit down. All this na former Yahoo boys wey not pico. Just carry laptop download music.
thunder fire you.
Ipena. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I not get much time to waste. You know say who pay for short time, not they do romance. That's my time.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. I told you, she is the sexiest comedian of them all. This is just the beginning. MC Casino's Game of Jokes, the very good bad guys.
DJ. I beg, I no get strength. My hand no good. You go this say, you prick big until you jam big toto. I don't finger woman, my watch lost.
Breathing on your shoulder.
Now that day, I know the meaning of in toto. Man, calm down. I'm not here to rush. I be troublemaker. My ex-girlfriend say she want naked swear for me. Carry him big hands, go outside, they rape him. Now you don't know who he go swear for, whether na me or na rapist. Leave some things for God. You they complain, say you don't get money to pay house rent, yet you have mansion in heaven. Why don't you go? Why don't you go and leave us alone? Okay, FX, I see you, man. You they complain, brethren, say you don't get money. And you get 2 kidneys. Why? Scientifically, it has been proven that you can live with 1 kidney. That's why doctors say health is wealth. 1 kidney for health, the other one for wealth. Brother, if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Danny Spry, an online courtist. I joined court through WhatsApp group. You challenge me too much, I off my data. Who want follow and drag anything? Brethren, Bini sweet oh. Okay, first. Now for Bini, I see lesbian take manpower to fuck another lesbian. okay, and I don't know me. I got my leg. You didn't tell them? Oh no. Now they know. Where that person will give casino 1 million. Wow. You go give person way in body complete money. Now handicap they here. Your conscience no they blame you. Where the person man appointed? Now senior man there. I touch senior man. Senior man, that's the one I talk. Now no they really talk. Now me them pay to perform. Who pay you to distract them? Brethren, let me give you guys a real life story that did not happen. Baba, Atize, Port Harcourt rough until I enter Benin. Port Harcourt na teddy bear. Where Benin dey, on too much. For Benin, where Asaba boys, they caught. They no care about an court orientation. They just want come meeting once, go. As he caught it for Benin, they were like this. A leg no good though. He catch me for backyard, they shot. Ah boy, if he move, I go straighten you. If he move, I go fuck you. You go feel straighten me, now your body bend. Baba, if you see me for dream, my hand complete oh. At all for dream. Handsome, fine. They dash me 3.2 billion for dream. I nearly no wake up. Now that I understand when people sleep die. They say sleep die. Nigga don't make them that side. Okay, now this is a better person come here. Take it easy, I'm here. My name is Dennis Fry, a mad guy. MC Casino and I have been friends for years. Since 2012, Night of Thousand Lab, backstage, been in here that year. Casino is a good guy. My wife just born. As my wife born, I call Casino. At that time, I know say Casino no be really better person. If you are meeting me for the first time, now me be the only comedian where one hand short, one long. See I'm by yourself. You get the time why I offend Bros Maleke. He said he go arrest me, they go handcuff me. I ask him, police go need to walk new handcuff. How handcuff when you enter the Now Maleke where I offend, come they beg me, say go, go, go. He want handcuff who? Brethren, my wife born, I call Casino. I say, Casino, where? My wife don't born, no. He call me Dan, ne? He say, you don't see the begin? I say, where this boy talk, they go. I say, I never see him. He said, this phone, the speaker. I say, not the speaker. He said, if you don't hear people, come out there. As she come out, I say, Casino, what happen? He said, you never see the begin. He said, go look him. I said, I don't see him. I look him like this. He said, hand complete. I said, the hand complete. He said, go do DNA. I said, Casino, he don't mad. Brethren, let me say this. It's a real life gist. I said, you're a good man. Don't let anything stress you. Yeah, I know. Fuck you. Brethren, don't let anything stress you. I give you this thing and I get the fuck out. Because I know say tomorrow morning now, Casino go credit me. I cannot start my year helping person when body complete. Those of on where they do naira bet, take this advice. Naughty way bet where Satan know they look that copy. Unless Satan allow you win, nobody they win. I don't bet naira bet 22 players to wear boot to come out. Satan tell one to wear slippers. Just to cut my copy. I don't bet there will be red card in this match. First 10 minutes, then break person leg. How they happy saying a red card? Ref go to advise him. It's a friendly match. Why are you so rough? just to cut my copy. Women, take this advice from me. Not be every time man carry you come out, man go peace, man they go peace. So sometimes we they go check bill. One man don't there for toilet. Are they the next toilet? What's here? They here? No. No. What's happening here now? No. If I say no, and I go say no. 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 You know, there's a man, if you don't treat staphylococcus 5 times, you be chief of staff. The man there for toilet, they shout, no. No. Now wait, may come out. Now ask him, sir, what's the problem? Now he show me bill. 1 man, 2 guests. I see bill, 3.2 million. Now me hold the bill, begin shout, no. 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 Brethren, as I hold the bill, begin holler. Now the man called the waitress. Waitress, analyze this bill. Now waitress break down the bill. He said 7 Hennessy. He said, I can see it here. 2 small stout, I can see it here. 15 fish, I can see it here. One way shocked the man. They say 900 water. The man don't know when he shot. Anybody bath? No.
Ladies and gentlemen, Billy makes some noise.
This is how they call me big man on a no clap. Now I make I no like big men. No. Now so I go wedding, go follow big men sit down. Hoping say if they want share food, they go pay attention to that table. Hungry won't kill me. Ushers go ask one of them, what can we get for you? The man say, we are not hungry. And I was there. I don't know when I asked the man, who be we? You go speak for yourself, which one be? I've come to realize that some of us that are Christians, some of the prayers we pray is because of poverty. How many of you have boarded a flight before and someone stood up and said, let's commit this journey into the hands of God? You know they pray. But if you enter bus, you go pray, you go sing, you go give offering, you go do altar call, you go hear the word. Some of those songs where they sing, no be your mind, your conscience they judge you. Now you go to tell yourself, this people they sing now, if I don't follow sing, if this motor get accident, I may go die. You come they sing song where you no plan. One time I was to go to Lagos from Port Harcourt to MC a wedding. I missed my flight. I had no choice but to go by road. I don't know, say no, but everybody where is inside Siena, where sit down, they travel. I just hear 2 chances remaining. I said, thank God, this was a quick fool. I follow driver sit down for front. Before I know, somebody say one go is himself. He no come back. Conductor bring journey person come. Say, oh, where that person we been there here now? They say, no, come out. Tell the guy, sit down, no worry, make I go bring another person. I see come out, another person won't come out, I hold his neck. He said, leave my neck. I said, where did they go? He said, they pay me to sit down. Oh yeah, sit down now. We left Port Harcourt for Lagos at about 1 a.m., midnight. Lonely road. Driver begin to share every testimony give us. So this road will they pass now. The way then they kick people. I said that they kick people, what will they do for the road now? The next thing I hear, man, Asaba was there for front. And some of the information when they share for airline is not necessary. I don't see any reason why I won't do like 30,000 feet. Now when somebody comes stand, they give us information. Please, in case of an emergency, there's an exit door there. To where? One old man was sitting down with me, they asked me, my pikin, where that door lead to? I said, okay, the person what you do on earth. You know, since why they fly plane, you get one particular place I never sit down before. Exit. One day I go sit down for there. Another time when they don't give information, give everybody. You wait there for exit, they will come give you especially. Where I sat down, the lady walked up to me and said, can I talk to you? I said, yes. He said, you're seated at the exit. That's how I know. He said, will you be willing to help others? I said, to where? He said, just in case of an emergency, pull the door, hold it this way, back on the... Okay, now me go hold it up. Who go there? I said, anybody want to come follow me, sit down for you. Poverty, bad though. The first time I fly plane from Port Harcourt to Lagos, that was way back 2018 when I won Best Comedian in Nigeria. The program was sponsored by Martina. Martina no ask us our problem. Martina go pay flight 95,000. How will you pay flight 95,000? How much will charter Sienna from Waterlines? After charter 2, one go day front, and they back. When they begin to share things for plane, when they gave me my pack, I was disappointed when I opened it. I saw cream crackers, 15 naira, yogurt, 100 naira. For flight 95,000. You get one guy waiting for my front. You get the call button. Every small thing go press it in, pim pim. Somebody walk out from the far distance of the plane, come meet him. Can I help you, sir? He go tell her the problem, he go off, I go. I said to myself, this guy go make his tire. As in go, on 9 come with me. Can I help you, sir? Now ask him, when am I arriving in Lagos? He said, very soon. He offer. In go sit down, belt himself, on 9 come with me. What is the problem, sir? Now ask him, is the pilot going with us? Of course, the pilot is going with us now. He offer. I said, today go suffer. He never reach on 9 come with me. Young man, please, what is the problem? Now ask him, are you going with us too? He said, of course, I'm going with you now. He offer. Before he reach our online committee, young man, please, what is the problem? Now ask him, are you angry with me? He said, I'm not angry with you. He offer. He come waka stand there, they look me, they look him. And they won't make it sit down. As he sit down on online committee, young man, please, what is the problem? Now I tell him, something is telling me you're angry with me. He said, I'm never angry with you. Now he come off and follow me stand there. Now when they ask him, what is the problem? Oh boy, they talk and they hear, no feed, they go there, they come back, they go there, they come back. Do you know that when we got to Lagos, they locked me for Echo Hotel, pay 200,000 for a night. How will you pay hotel 200,000? Money you go give me, I look for church to do all night, follow them, pray, tomorrow morning and move. He pay hotel, when they pay the money, I know if you sleep, oh, I was thinking they pay for my family members. You see this thing where they tell say which they press person in line, na poverty. If you sleep for hotel 200,000, even if which they exist, when which fly, see where they sleep, now which go look your boy, they enjoy you. If you should make a follow you sleep, I beg. I came out from Echo Hotel, that was my first time to use lift. And they use the thing up, down, up, down. Best way follow me go up. I said they come down, see me inside. Now they ask me, come, you know they reach? I said, I lodge here. To swim for Echo Hotel, 15,000. One guy go swim, you know, ask how much. As finished, now in title, I go meet the man. I'm done. They say now 15,000. It's my brother, come. I don't drink the water. They say now 15,000. That was his last card. He paid the money, go back inside swimming pool. As I'm talking to that guy, I've been swimming there for 2 weeks.
One man begin.
Hold it. Online, we they see a lot of things for we where they Port Harcourt. Edo is shining. Edo is shining. You get one particular man that they find where they always follow on a governor. I don't know what be that man problem. Person go whole phone. Now so the only governor where they enter got hold on. Because I don't understand. The best state in Nigeria now is Abia State. For Rivers State, we don't even know our problem. Because if not for anything, there's something I appreciate our former governor for, Wike. Wike is the only governor in Nigeria that employed 200,000 special advisors. You know, sir, special advisor, I don't know. Now for WhatsApp group, now I see myself. Not only Wike go gather 200,000 special advisors, now he go they advise us. After the meeting, journalists go come, they ask us questions. Knowing fully well, say for the meeting, we know the hear what governor they talk. What we do the hear? We say yes, sir. Don't fly. Say yes, sir. We say yes, sir. Everything, yes, sir.
I'm happy so.
Hold on. They'll come meet us for outside. So how did the meeting go? We say it went well. They'll come ask us, so what was the outcome? So it was great. They'll come ask us questions we don't get answer. So what did the governor say? We say, well, he has said it all. Man, what you say they talk where people know they hear. He then inside plane they shake. One certain, I'm not gonna see the video. Plane they shake. Wicked they pray, will they hear them clearly? Plane they shake, will they hear wicked they pray? Oh God, help me! People they ask now, Peter be they pray, they say no. Oh God, help me! Out of fear, wicked no know when they mean they tell God, oh God, prove to me you are a man. Lot of things they happen for this country. Fake prophets, they their own, they do their own. I'm not gonna see that video of where fake prophet they use one woman and hand they grow. I'm not gonna see that video. You know this fake prophet, they get one pattern. When they come up, you go hear something like this. Riba da da da. Yabe de de de. They'll come ask one question. Should I preach or should I prophesy? Who will say prophesy? You can't hear. There is someone here. Whenever you close your left eye, you can see with your right eye. Run out now. So if I close left eye, now here, what you see before. And you know, say those people, they do RNG. They do RNG. They will just tell them, the man of God say, again, who they come, his name na Paul, in from Akwa Ibom. So when the pastor come up, he go hear something like this. Ribadabada. Man of God, thank you for bringing me to this program. When I was coming to this program, the Lord said I should cancel the spirit of death. I saw an accident and I saw a name, Paul. If your name is Paul, please run out now. You know, nothing like 10 Paul come church that day. 10 Paul go line up, he go look them low. This Paul I'm talking about is from Akwa Ibom. 5 go, he remain 5. Oh, low. In the context side, they find the person where they are two planner. But I don't know that they are two planner. He go say, wait for me. He go meet the person where they are two planner. You go there, can I talk to you? You say yes. Where is your mom? She's at home. You need to pray for your mom. Because what I'm seeing, oh my God, it's not everything I can speak in public. Can I whisper to your ear? The guy goes, say yes. He go in ear. I bet who be the reaper? He said, I don't want to wear black. Wait for me. The part what I like about them, now when they want to raise money, whenever they want to raise money, you go hear something like this. Normally, I don't do this. Normally, I don't do this. But Lord showed me 10 persons. You can give the Lord 1 million. Please run out now. I shall look at them. If there are more than 10, send them back. You never see one. You know, big men on Asaba fear. 3 go come and stand for here. He go come here. I didn't come here to raise money. I will just pray for this ones. One time I was in Ghana. He never traveled before. He go come share one testimony. Put fear. More 2 go come join. They will come day 5. You will come they shake them. Thank you for coming out. As you're coming with your seed tomorrow, as you're coming with your seed, there's something I'm going to tell you about. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you for coming. Please, let's rise to our feet. I didn't come here to raise money. Rise to your feet. Rise to your feet. Oh my God. Someone is crying over there. Man of God, I don't have 1 million. I would have come out. What I have is 500,000. Still come. Who give 1 million? Go they regret this so enough for wait small. Billy, enjoy yourself. MC JP is my name.
And you see that Gen Z, they not get respect. Donald Trump post say, we are coming, it's going to be swift and fast. Gen Z go comment on that say, oh, I'm so shy, my first war. One even comment for one that say, oh God, this war is going to be so tough, what are we wearing? I say, yeah. One comment for under the comment say, you ain't be girl. Just they use your breast, they stingy, now bandit go see soccer. I say, what is all this?
Where them day?
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
Hold on. Edo State, a very dangerous state with a dangerous governor. If una fit go carry children go give Father Christmas for no way. Una see New Year masquerade from East and Land, just few meters away from here, you are afraid of me. But una fit follow no way Father Christmas. That Father Christmas was my friend that worked at Federal Airport Authority. He used Yaris enter airport. Come follow back, come out. What they do, ha. You people believed him. We will change for this day too. Now get bad character. Happy New Year, everybody. Please, anything you do this year, try and use like 4 turkey to clear away all the problem of last year. Yesterday, I just look at what they cross over. Now I just go my friend hotel, Elite Hub. Now you buy 4 turkey. All those one where they get pepper. When they say either water they come out from your nose or from your eyes. Because Baba waiting our eyes see last year, not be smart, you know. Nigeria sure. See, you know this Burna Boy song? I become a person, but my happiness, oh. Now, this song, when they released them, it was a sweet song. When you start going further in the song can be relatable to you. You're going to hear, everybody get rule, no mean say your own rule. Now, this is the part that belongs to you. Now, me when they wash my cloth, you call members say, you don't select cloth where they go to cleaner, the one they wash for us. You see, you select clothes, you say, dry cleaner, washing machine, dry cleaner, washing machine, dry cleaner, you select. Now, me when they wash in my car, you guys will wake up in the morning, you look at your motor, say, this 5K I want to give to car wash. Can't I do this work myself? Maybe, now me when they walk, you they scrub. Then you see the last one, now me when they cook, kununu. Everybody they cook now. That's why they sorry for now for this building when they build fine dining. Where is fine? You see everybody, if you call your friend and say, Baba, where you dey? Say, I heard they arrange 1 or 2 things. Baba, this year, Nigeria show us shaky. Responsibility, one key breadwinner. Now, understand, say, waiting make my father, they carry Joko, sit down for outside, around 6 o'clock, they wait for moon. Bro, Nigeria, you can't wonder what did they make you they take care of people we don't like. What is my business with my father-in-law? Do you know that if you don't send your father-in-law money for 2 Christmas, you go withdraw your CFO? Bro, my life too hard though. Do you know that as a man, you are a disadvantaged species? Now make immediately they all born you. Life they lead you 1-0. Don't forget cut your prick. To humble your progress. Why my prick? Why my prick? Life is leading you 1. If you come from Africa, 2. If you come from a poor family, 3. If a poor family come from you, 4. If you are a man, you from 5. Very useless club. They want to kill their
Nobody will not be to me.
If you go marry bad wife, 6. Now be to go be the handicap -6. You are not coming back from it. As a man, as it stands now, no food for lazy man. But lazy girls food hotel now, they cold, the other shrimps, the other duvet, the other turkey. Do you know that as a man, if you don't have money, you are a motherfucking broke nigga? But as a woman, if you don't have money, you are an independent, strong woman trying to survive through life. Society will always make excuse for you. Man, life too hard. I know what I am saying. That's the reason why you see this year, one of the most abused men in this country was Two-Face Idibia. Gen Z nearly killed that man. And you see that Gen Z, they not get respect. Donald Trump post say, we are coming, it's going to be swift and fast. Gen Z go comment on that say, oh, I'm so shy, my first war. One even comment for one that say, oh God, this war is going to be so tough. What are we wearing? I say, yeah. One comment for under the comment say, you ain't be girl. Just they use your breast, they stingy. Now bandits go see soccer. I say, what is all this?
Where them day?
Jesse nearly key Two-Face. They want key Two-Face. But I want to say this. Two-Face is the most respected musician of all time. Even last year, it was proven. Mo give that my respect. The first song of Two-Face, this is how it goes. First ever song where Two-Face sing. I'm coming out straight this time. I'm coming out with a little of my own kind of peace of mind. I'm doing it my way this time, like I'm not gonna bore you with some fleasing kind of piece of rap. So pull a cushion, sit back, relax, and listen to this introduction on me, myself, and my mission. My vision is to let you all see that there's more to this life than just faking up reality. Reality. Now listen to the first verse. I wake up in the morning and I stretch out my feet. Say, I thank you, prayer, and then I brush up my teeth. A little exercise, and then I grab something to eat. Put on a piece of clothes and I step out into the street. Yes, even if it was time, you're not bath. Then into the studio just to hook up some beats. Now hear the other verse. Yeah. Today is the first day of the rest of my life. I got to be stronger to be ready for the strife. I know some people will say some things that we cut like a knife. Two-Face sing this song year 2000. You know, believe say time go come when somebody go to their house, you go to your house, they go tell you something, go bless it, they stab you with knife. You know, say one of our legends for this country posted his 16-year-old daughter. He wrote as the caption, my Jesus baby, you must make daddy proud. I see you in the future. Somebody still go comment on that, say, if you like, call her Jesus baby. When the time is right, she'll see collect brick. That is the reason why you're supposed to respect Two-Face. Because now so did the broken. Where did Two-Face talk when women nearly want to kill him? It can't be like say women are not happy with our happiness. Do you know that one of the few times a man is extremely happy is when he's on top of a woman? That's when you see the joy in his face. But you will sit there on top of some girls, they'll cover their eye. Sister, open your eye and see my joy.
Breathing on your shoulder.
Open your eye and see the happiness you are creating. All this talk, not what it causes an afoko. Because the Two-Face talk say, a man is not biologically wired to be with one woman. Now, maybe we even think as a man and a woman, two different species. Once a woman takes in, for the next 400 days, nothing is going in again. But as a man, you are wired. You are wired to produce. Do you know that as a man, it's possible to impregnate 365 women in 365 days? Now, let's look at it from the angle of a company. If as a company, you produce spermatozoa, like you produce, don't you think after production should be distribution? Oga, it's a lie. Hola, mo. After production should be Now, if a company, you produce something and you not give them out, what is it called in economics? Economic demurrage. That be prostate cancer. Bini, una two says so. Everybody all they sleep with each other for this Bini. New year, new me. Una see fuck oh. This Bini, everybody is sleeping with each other. Everybody having similar STD. Everybody all they scratch nyash. See all of you. I never see people when they sexually active reach these people. Bini, any opportunity to lodge, fully book. Any opportunity to lodge, fully book. Millennial height, somebody lost room for improvement. They lodge them. Bini, people they lodge you. You see them now for here, you say, quiet man, God-fearing man. See that table now, only one woman. You say, God-fearing man, gospel man. They love the Lord. They not carry woman come. They keep get for hotel and they get the cool. Before they reach there, they get up block. And you trust Bini girls, they rather die than me your face. Should I often only? I want you to be showing in my TikTok video. Inside code, they die yo. Inside code, I ask what will you like to say? Ice cream. I say, how will you lick it? Should microwave it? If you say fuck na gunshot for this Bini, for don't deaf, may they walk. May go they call the guy for more revenge. One guy they dissolve me. What is going on? Father's Day fully booked. Children's Day. Are you both sleeping with pedophiles? What is happening? Hey, I like women. Once women lodge hotel, you will see them. Women will stay on their own and feel themselves and have vibes. Say, oh, we're doing TikTok video. 4 girls, so lodge only room. You see my gender, a gender of shame. 2 men this hotel room, 10 minutes. You got the year. Oh, this room just a waste. Oh, shit. I want to do now. Oh God. Are you there inside? You not be human being? About room they waste oh. You don't have longer night and shorter day. Now when you lodge alone, you call the hear different sound. You hear whinking. Man, they make progress. You the feel. You hear kuka. I don't this hotel room. I call the hear. I can't they trace the sound. See very simple for the commoter. After like 20 minutes, now this person at the tap for bedroom, they drop water. I do this and I go. Please. This our governor where everybody they disrespect for Instagram. That man not be smart. See, up there on a dangerous man. Oh, up there. See that man when they shout, "You cannot send me." If you send me, out of me and you, one go degrade, the body go. That is the direct ancestor of Ukbewulu. For this life, if somebody tell me say I will go high court, go swear, feed that visa, I not be courteous, I not believe. No Bewulu. You know, so when you only come, you just they follow us where they drag case. Now, Bini boys call the show themselves. Could hear 1 now, 2 year, 4 1 now, 2. Now people will say, what do I do? Now you're by bulldozer. You know what he pay me? The bulldozer he put blow called commissioner. Now he say, anywhere you see Curtis, demolish. See me at Curtis for High Court. I, Bositali Kingsley, I do solemnly swear that I'm not a courtist. That the house at number 2 First to Boy is not my house. The only thing that belongs to me is the chair, the TV. Let's gentlemen, God bless you. Good night.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
DJ, stop. They just come you and no clap. I even like us when I no clap because all of us they suffer. Now, me be the first married man where they regret in marriage. Because my wife, I know they see and use. Bro, if you born girl, thank your God, no go born boy you. You know, say I carry my pikin name, go Ailala. Pikin, when I born, no, they allow me see my wife breast use. He get when my boy pikin suck my wife breast reach. I don't know when I ask my wife, baby, do you know this boy before? Because he come like saying, now my wife S. Where did be this? My wife go they suck. Where did be this? My wife, this boy too suck breast. This same boy can eat. My pikin, he name na Joshua and I'll go kill him. My pikin do it oh. Sae first no be joke oh. My pikin finish children food Finish adult food. Me where be adult. Yesterday I enter house and they ask my wife, which food they? They say na only Cerelac remain. Me where be adult. Now I tell my wife, say, me also no kill me. Make Cerelac for me. Baba now eat children food. I call they behave like small pikin. For my house, I call they tell my wife by 3 a.m. say I don't want to sleep. My wife call they beg me, please sleep now. My wife call they sing for me. Me where get baby. My wife call they sing for me, baby. Cha do baby. I no still gree sleep. Because na kpako I be until my wife sing, hey ya before I sleep. Baba mo na enjoy na life oh. My daughter, she's just 3 years. I'm not sure say that girl no say na me born now. Because the way he go see casino, he go shout daddy. He go see Edo Pikin, go shout daddy. My daughter never know say na me born now. But unto say that they stress us for us, now say man carry and go school. Now carry this girl go school. They call tell me say school fees now 500,000. I know first now pay 500,000. I reach their school, man go pick my pikin. I put here for gate wait at the end. I be, you are a very good player. So I they pay money, make my pikin they play. Not to pay me, the woman come, they say, she has not started school, she's in play school for 500,000. How much have they finished Unibe? Now me just come tell the woman, say, for me to pay 500,000 naira, and I say my pikin go move from play school to NYC. Not to pay me. Before the Congo holiday, so the woman come tell me, say, be happy, oh. Your daughter is the most playful student here. Just so they shout, baby, cha do, baby, cha. Anyway, she's now a dropout. Idiot, who go pay that school fees? Destiny Bagwa, I greet you. Now man you be. I like this leader. You know, so now let Destiny Bagwa do bachelor's eve for second wife.
The statement maker.
How you go do bachelor's eve for second wife? Who are you? You are a dabush kabash.
You're beautiful.
But na man you be, Wait till I tell love this man, and now the way I tell love in 2 wives equally. Mona clap for I know easy. Baba, how you tell do am? Only one wife who I get. Now yesterday I asked my wife, who are you? Baba, this Nigeria now, you can't survive with one work. That's why this place where I get this hall, they get hotel. Monday Okpevolo now, he get hype men. No mind them. Edo is what? Edo is what?
No, thank governor.
Stop. Edo is what? Shining. He get hype men. One pastor for my area now, he don't open chemist. If he pray for you, make your headache he go buy paracetamol for you. The guy don't want stress himself. One hospital said for Coromina, don't get mortuary. They treat you, you die, they still hold you. You will know if you take their money, go anywhere. That's why you don't find out, say, even schools now, church they day. So you cannot survive. That's why all the shower way they here. This is, write it down. This will help you in 2026. Ashawo, please, write it down. You cannot be an Ashawo and you say you know Sabi massage. Who are you? They goes together. That's why you see, say Harrison now. Harrison, he dey rescue kidnappers. If they no kidnappers, he go kidnap them. Because he has to be what? Busy. Bro, you just, Mr. Success, I see you. You don't see stripper for abroad. My leader, you don't see stripper for abroad, see stripper. If you go strippers club for abroad there, No matter how you tell love God rich, you will fall in love. Stripper, you see stripper go just yellow. Stripper body go just neat. Now they go do strippers club for upper, normal you. For the first time, they can't tell us a stripper, they come from Morocco. Now stripper push it to. I call the see Isha mark for stripper belly. If now clap, now clap, now so you. Isha mark for stripper. Now, ma give una leader, help me with this share. Ma give them one example of stripper. Now, if you see the way that they spray stripper for Abuja, they know they stress stripper. Leader, you get any money there? Ma tell you this joke. No, not before my own good. The fee pick can give you later. This is a CEO Millennium Hotel. Mona clap for her. Leader, look for money for stripper, no be burial. This one they find 5 naira. Oh, stripper. Leader, if you see this money, ma die. I'm a stripper. I will strip for you tonight. You do say, even if casino see this money, go strip. This casino now, so when P-Square never quarrel, you know if you carry them. Now when they don't quarrel, where you say go carry them with 3,000. Now this casino, it can take advantage of people's situation. Now so you go bring Two-Face last year when Natasha they give a problem. They like who they suffer. Bro, Benin know they joke with artists where they don't fall. They use Oligbese to the answer Oligbese wrong. Bro, you know say that for drag bar, don't go rent house for Ugbowo. They know they joke with who don't fall. Now, may I explain stripper for you for... See how they take the spray stripper for Abuja? DJ, play for me. See the stripper Nyash. Abuja, big boy. Stop! I don't want to spray the money. May no be like I know see my money. See stripper Nyash for Abuja. Now they don't spray and they don't come out. No time. They don't already hit mic for me. No time. See how they did a spray stripper for No Man Your Upper. DJ play. Wait, you get any Omagbe song? Song where relate to burial. Because first they know the stripper know them. You know there's a difference between familiar spirit and evil spirit. Familiar spirit, you know them, say now then they do you. You don't understand? You don't see where Oyibo they cast out evil spirit. You don't go London now. Evil spirit leave this body. Evil spirit know the strike go say, I'm going. Not be Adua they go give my uncle winch. They no give him feather join. My uncle call the trek go Kovu. Who make and join winch so now I use more to kill him. What God cannot do. See stripper. Leader, man, you do this stripper because I'm a stripper. Stripper for upper. Did you play any music that will verse me? DJ, reduce them. First, only one person know they spray that they line. They will call the tongue around the stripper like saying at their body. First, reduce them. DJ, stop. You call the Osas, more turn back. This girl don't born. Bring her down. What did they pay me? Who the money there with? Why supposed spray money go they shout? Hey, this one get paid this. So. Now they want spray the stripper. DJ play. strip and yash, in guys go come shot for back. You the pamper yash. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is King James. I enjoy the rest.
Ladies and gentlemen, outside in the building, King James Diddy.
On a good evening. Yeah. In case you don't know, we just have 364 days left for this year, 2026, to be over. What have you achieved? Now, waiting one motivational speaker tell me for us that they are betting egg bastard. Papa, I had to look many of Nana. And so now they set on a New Year resolution. New Year, new me. That's why they need to ban crossover night for Nigeria. One guy went sit down with me for church yesterday, and I saw the guy, they cry. Say, God, if I feel enter 2026, I will not go back to who I used to be. The guy, they cry. As 12 sharp. Now the guy shake me, say, congratulations. Now he hug me, he come out. And I know say this guy thief my phone, I don't know. I know say God go shock for heaven, go be like, Osan, na. If you see next year, change my name. Baba, me they ban down. Osato come up for us yesterday morning now. He said they go cross over night, now they want to arrange chair. From that time till now, Osato never enter us. Osato just a crossover from one hotel to another. Hold on. And I don't get issue with you now. Now the boys me get issue. Benin man, no. As everybody they crossover yesterday, they praise God. Benin man, your day as the other hooks. The other ashawo. Now you ordering ashawo not be my business, oh. You the other ashawo come your house. You see they use church as landmark to describe your house. What do they hear now? Watch oh. If they call ashawo, hello ashawo, you don't reach winners. Your Ben pass that Catholic church. Wait for me for that symbol when they draw Pastor Chris. Baba! All this man, no. And guess this period they get now. Waiting women, you they do now, Bini guess. Though they post to they don't know before they write thanks for today. Though you go TikTok, see one fanboy post now for status, thanks for today, baby, you made my day. Now so Satote post one boy, no say the boy don't die last week.
Where them day?
Now police they look for Osato. Where you see Osao? Baba, the one way still ready for them now. Sir, as they see you see John Best now, as woman see you, Bini girl you see you. Because you know say you get money, go you tell you. Anything she ask you, you give her. One girl, she now ask question. Out of everybody for Benin, she go tell me. She tell me with 250,000 last month. Now this morning she dey complain, give me say she regret ever telling me. Now to tell me, Obo say me brief 500,000.
One man begin.
Since morning they beg me, I borrow money to tell me we die here, baby, I love you. Hey, Baba. Benin girls too get now this period though. The other one Benin girl from Benin to Lagos now. She said no, she not fit use road. She na flash she want use. Chief sent the girl 500,000 to and fro. Now this morning we hear say the girl Osato get accident for Ore. Now we go meet her. How? Sure you say na flight you want use. Fear Benin girl, she not deny. He said na flight they use now the aeroplane for. Where the aeroplane now? I say they don't turn and come out. Baba, nothing Benin girls not do. And one thing why I still they talk about this country, if we want to make this country better, I feel they talk saying that from our leaders. If our leaders feel value life, this country will do all right. Just imagine say yeah now you both gathering. One woman your day back with the dog your faint. You know what they hear? 3 people you come outside, they talk, who is a doctor here, who is a doctor here, for dog oh. 3 people you come outside, one say, I'm a doctor, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital in New York, a veterinarian. Another doctor come and say, my name is Kate Henshaw, a veterinarian, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital for dog. Oh. Before you know, they'll do some paramedic activities, make the dog stay alive before they carry and go hospital. But if the dog can get some respiratory disorder and not feel breathe well, they'll do surgical operation there. You hear, is there any sharp object? Is there any sharp object? Before you know it, they'll cut out the esophagus, bring out the trachea, come and say me for breathe well, abi. They nod your head as if what I talk correct. Agba. Mama surgeon. A parono, she dey cut neck.
All the Google things what they do for the niggas, I run am for heaven.
Allah! But where your 14 know say we men for Nigeria will not like each other. That one na for Oyibo. You know say if these two men you're there like this, one you vomit. For the other to ask and say, what's the issue? Is there any problem? You go your jump. Baba na hafa na. The only thing we care about this country is erection. Imagine say this guy now you're the talk say, sorry, if one man now you're the talk say, I dey quick come o, I know the 3 people from back or you come and say, we not be doctor, we not be conductor, you waka. Go say, you dey quick come, you don't try dirty water and mango seed. And another thing I not like what they do for Benin here. Now, this is casino game of jokes. First of all, man, help me clap for casino. Yeah, for putting me on this platform for the first time. Yeah, it's not easy. Always say he lodge all the other comedians for better hotel. Hotel where he lodge me, if I lock door, TV go off. If I want shower, the room go the shock. Yeah, I was saying this. I say the only thing why I don't observe for Nigerian comedians now, if casino come now, you'll see I say you go they acknowledge CEOs. You say that's the CEO, John Bates, that's the CEO, you go they acknowledge CEOs. But sir, he gets some CEOs for this country who don't they acknowledge, and the thing they vex me. How many of them know say people when get mortuary they be CEO? Now can you imagine say that they recognize those set of people as the man you enter? Wait till the end now. That's the CEO, Fast Rising Mortuary, I see you. The man was put Nigerian mortuary on the map, I see you. Sir, you can imagine say CEO of a mortuary spray you, my brother, like that you do.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for fun.